housefly, the most common fly associated with humans or the activities of humans. Because of its abundance and its ability to transmit disease, the housefly is considered a greater threat to human welfare than any other species of pest. According to the World Health Organization, the Center for Disease Control, and the Environmental Protection Agency, flies are suspected of transmitting at least 65 types of disease and bacteria to humans, including salmonella, dysentery, diphtheria, food poisoning, and E. coli. In urban areas, garbage receptacles are the #1 breeding site for both flies and the bacteria they spread. Dumpsters are everywhere. Restaurants, schools, hospitals, and apartment buildings produce enough food and human waste to quickly attract flies. The conditions inside these man-made breeding sites are perfect for incubating thousands of early-stage larvae or maggots that will eventually morph into flies and flock their bacteria-filled nest. A visit to the World Health Organization's website finds suggestive strategies to help prevent the spread of bacteria into your facility. The reduction or elimination of fly breeding sites found inside your dumpster. The reduction of sources that attract flies from other areas, like your dumpster. The prevention of contact between flies and disease-causing germs, which takes place inside your dumpster. And of course, protect your food, eating utensils, and people from contact with flies. This leaves us with the question, how? How do we control these breeding sites without eliminating dumpsters and trash receptacles completely? Fruit Fly BarPro, the industry leader in fly control technologies, introduces their patented strip clip, which enables their vapor strips to be applied anywhere, allowing their time-released vapor technology to treat elusive sites where pests continue to thrive. Our demonstration takes us to a remote, abandoned location far from civilization. 2 identical 8-yard dumpsters will be utilized during this test. Our goal? To prevent the breeding and reproduction of the common housefly within these receptacles. We purchase fresh foods and fill 2 identical trays. Chopped meat, chicken, fish, fruit, and veggies are used to imitate everyday items found in commercial and residential trash. Each tray is placed at the bottom of the 2 side-by-side dumpsters. Our control dumpster is armed with 4 strip clips. And inserted are 4 Fruit Fly BarPro vapor strips. The special 3M VHB tape has superior adhesion abilities and can withstand temperatures of up to 450 degrees. We close the lids on both receptacles, and our test begins. From the inside, it is easy to see the many ways that flies and other pests can enter these receptacles and how odors can escape. We leave the dumpsters and return the following morning to check progress. Our control dumpster seems to be attracting flies, as dumpsters do. A closer look reveals the results of our vapors being present. Dozens of flies have already met their demise, and there are no signs of reproduction. It is only when we check the uncontrolled dumpster do we realize the severity of the situation. Thousands of maggots fester on the ample bounty that their mothers have found for them. Less than 24 hours prior, pregnant females had located this perfect breeding site, laid their eggs, and let the first stages of metamorphosis begin. Day 2, we find more of the same results. Our control dumpster continues to eliminate adult flies and interrupt their reproductive process as the now rotten food produces more and more bacteria. Just a few feet away, our maggots continue on the path to becoming a fly. Most of them, bellies full, now look for a dry place to transform into their pupal stage. Each one of these larvae will eventually cocoon up and hatch into an adult fly, ready to begin reproducing in as little as 1 week. Scientists have calculated that a pair of reproducing flies in just 5 months' time could parent this staggering number of offspring. We load the maggot-filled dumpster with our time-released vapor strips in hopes of controlling the forward progress of this environmental hazard. We return on our third and final day of filming with high expectations. Our control dumpster maintains its elimination and prevention pursuit as our clean and odorless vapors continue to fill this receptacle and will do so for another 90 days, providing round-the-clock protection and leaving behind zero chemical residues that would eventually and adversely impact our rivers, lakes, and oceans. As for our maggots, their lifeless bodies fill the bottom of the dumpster. They will make their way to the local landfill where they will decompose and become one with the earth. Maintaining the environment inside and outside of your facility is not only a good idea, it's your responsibility. A responsibility that affects you, your employees, your customers, and the communities that surround you. Fruit Fly BarPro remains committed to their stewardship of pioneering technologies to lead the commercial, industrial, and hospitality industries into a safer future. Fruit Fly BarPro, it's our way or the fly way.